Hello folks, my name is Ravi Saxena. I am working as a corporate chef for Azure Group of Hospitality based out of New Delhi NCR. As you all know, has multiple brands like Dhaba, Mama Goto's, Fly Granny, Foxtrot. So I'm taking care of all the brands for Azure, where I'll be showcasing one of the Japanese product which is the latest innovation in market in today's date, which is a foil which basically uses no oil while cooking. So any of the pan fried things like a steak or a burger patty or a fried egg can be done with this foil without using any refined oil or butter or any cooking method or any cooking ingredient like that. So I'll be able to shoot very lovely dish which is known as Amritsari fish, which is a part of the dhaba menu. Now this dish is a very popular dish in Punjab, which has ingredients. You have to have a premium fish, so I have taken here river sole fish here. Then there's ginger garlic paste, there's lemon, then refined oil, then red chili powder, salt, then there is corn flour, there is roasted chana powder, there is refined flour which is maida, then there is ajwain, then there is kasuri methi, then chopped coriander and chopped green chilies. I'm going to marinate the fish first. Now the marination of the fish is in two parts. First I'll marinate the fish with ginger garlic, lemon juice, salt and red chili powder. Then I'll leave it aside for half an hour for the fish to get the flavor of lemon juice and ginger garlic in it. Then next I'll make another batter out of corn flour, refined flour and roasted chana powder and the other spices to give a final coating. And the next step will be I'll be cooking the fish on the foil, which I'm going to show you how. Let's get going with the first marination. So I'll take the fish, I'll add a little salt in it, then a little bit of ginger garlic powder, some red chili powder. Now this you can add a little extra also if you want the fish to be spicy. And then I'll squeeze in some fresh lemon in it. Now lemon is a very important ingredient when it comes to marinating fish. And now we'll mix it thoroughly. This marination is very important because this renders the first flavor of the fish, and I'll leave it aside for good 10 to 15 minutes. Now the fish is marinated. Now we'll move on to the next step where I'll add little oil to the fish. Now if you see in the entire preparation of this Amritsari fish, this is the only oil which I'm going to use. Then add little refined flour to it, some roasted chana powder. Now these three flours I'm using and some corn flour is to give it a nice thin and crisp coating. Then add little ajwain to it. Ajwain again is a very important ingredient when I am making any Indian fish preparations, be it a fish tikka or a Amritsari fish. Then some chopped coriander and some kasuri methi at the end. Now in some places, and I'll mix it well now so that the coating is even and firm. Now I've seen a lot of places and recipes during my visits that some places they use egg also in the same marination. So now the marination is ready and fish is ready to be cooked. Now we'll use this Asahi Kasei foil. So the moment I saw this product, I immediately fell in love with this. The simple reason being that it's so cooking friendly and easy to use, and especially people who are health conscious in today's date and who want to avoid using oil or butter in their cooking. I think this is one of the best solutions and for them. This foil, if you open, has got two parts. This is the reverse and the front part. You can see the fish logo here. So the fish part has to be on top. So basically all you need to do is just sear the foil as you require, as much as you require. Put on a non-stick pan, or you can use any kind of pan. Now basically what's happening is we have a pan underneath which is going to get hot. This in return will heat the foil, and now this foil, I call it magic foil, will require no oil or no butter in cooking, as we'll see as we proceed. Next we will put the fish pieces by pieces, one by one. As you see now the fish is getting cooked, and as I said earlier, there's not even a single drop of oil which I've used in the foil. So that is the beauty of this foil, that you can cook any fried product or pan fried product, maybe a burger patty or fried eggs, without using any oil. And see, it's not sticking also, getting cooked beautifully. Normally, as you know, Amritsari fish typically ideally is shallow fried or deep fried. But now here, as you've seen, the only little quantity of oil was used in the marination. But now with this foil, I think it's a magic foil where I have not used a single drop of oil in cooking it. And best thing is, results exactly the same what one would get if I were to fry in oil or shallow fry in the oil. So That's the beauty of this foil. You can see the fish is fully cooked now. Just take it out gradually. See, it's not sticking also. That's again a wonderful thing. So here you are ready with Amritsari fish, which is cooked on this magic foil, as I call it, without using a single drop of oil while cooking. And you'll garnish with some chopped coriander and serve it with fresh lemon juice and freshly made mint and coriander chutney. There you are with Amritsari fish.